This is Ian Peerless, and I'm going to show you around the ExRobotics Delft assembly facility while it's quiet and I don't have to worry too much about personal data protection. So, on the right here we have our main assembly facility. I'll just quickly walk you around here, show you where things move from and to. Here is our parts in area. All the parts arrive here, where the paperwork is checked and filed online, and also routine quality tests are performed. Once the parts have been checked and approved, they move into our parts store over here, where we employ first in, first out stock principles. Here we have our 5 assembly stations, where a person on each station can be assembling an EXR2 robot. And during assembly, if there are electrostatic requirements, we have our electrostatically protected bench sitting over here. Once the robot's complete, it's lifted off the workbench using our overhead hoist. And then typically it would be taken into the specialised area over here, where the electronics box is finally prepared and secured for EX environments, and any items that require temperature control might be entered into the climate chamber here. This is our small test facility which sits outside the assembly area. Every robot will typically undergo about 2 days of functional tests here, just to make sure everything's working properly. A quick walk around the rest of the facility. In here we have a meeting room where we entertain customers, and next door to that we have our development room. We keep our naked robot in here. That's a set of electronics connected together as if they were in the robot, where we can test electronic components. Finally, we have our office areas in here. This is where the back office work is done and where the guys settle down for lunch. And over here where our engineers are located with their CAD programs. There's plenty of room for growth in the building. All of this area down here is available, and the upper floors will become available. Also in future, we'll be setting up similar facilities in other regions with our partners. At the moment we're thinking Southeast Asia, the Middle East and North America. Thanks very much for your time.